At the moment, as you can see, I have this incredible and complex animation. The size of my text is increasing and decreasing over time. Once you add the new time mapper node, you will see nothing, because this node needs a gradient image to be connected in the green point. It will take the gradient and use it to remap the time. You have two main controls: how much you want to offset the black parts and the white parts. Add a background node and change the type to gradient. Connect the gradient to the green point of the time mapper. If I add both animations side by side, you can't see any real difference at the moment. That's because the offset value is too low. If I increase the offset white to 60, now you can see that something is changing. On the left is the animation before the time mapper, and on the right is with the time mapper. If I increase it more, you'll start to see a bigger difference. But keep in mind that the higher offset you have, the slower the render will be. If I load the gradient, you can see that in the parts of the image that are in the black of the gradient, they have zero offset, and as we move to the white parts, they are getting more and more offset. Of course, you can make it even stronger by pushing the black offset into some negative values, but this will make it even harder to play it back. One very important note for this effect is that it works way better in a higher frame rate projects. If you try to use it in 25 frames per second project, in faster animation, you will start to see very clear bending points. That's the basic way of using it. The fun part comes when you add different kind of gradient to map your animation. I think this tool is available only in the studio version, so if you are in the free version, you can cry all you want. If you expect to get everything for free in your life, good luck. Speaking about money, in case you missed my preset packs, now you can get the bundle and save some money.